tried giving you my heart. Now I know you didn't want it. Thought that we could work it out, but it's no use. I think I'm better off alone. Yeah, I'm feeling good without you. Now I don't want nothing to do with you. I tried to be perfect and keep you happy all the time, but I didn't know that you wanted some.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing two different fall decorations, or decorations. Yeah, they're going to be decorations. So you guys have been making a wreath because I've been really liking those lately, and I've kind of just like passing them on to my family. So I don't have that many wreaths in my house, if you guys think I do. But I'm really trying to use up all my fall stuff. I actually have like a small pile. I had a big giant overflowing tote. So if you guys did watch my decluttering my craft room video, you'll see how much fall stuff I had. And now I'm starting to use all of it. So I'm really trying to take things and use it all, because I like, oh, I'll save this for next year, and then you rebuy more stuff, and then you have all this extra stuff. So I just took a lot of odds and ends and put things together and made it beautiful. So you guys want to watch how I am using up my fall DIY crafting supplies? Keep watching. For this first DIY, I'm just going to be using this Gather Together sign. I actually got this last year and never used it. And then I'm also using these thankful signs from the Dollar Tree this year. I actually only needed 2 of them, so I didn't even need 3. So I still have one that I'm not sure what to do with yet, but hopefully I can come up with something pretty soon. So I'm just going to take the little hanger off and the sticker, and then I printed off this cute little pumpkin bread recipe. I think this is adorable. So I will leave the link in the description box for you, but I found it on Pinterest and I thought it was super, super cute. And I'm just going to be ripping these boxes apart because I already have one that I'm decorating with, so I didn't need a million. And I carefully ripped this apart so none of the paper ripped. These are so flimsy anyways, so I'm glad that I probably won't be using it for decoration next year, although it is really, really cute. But I'm just going to be ripping these apart, and then I took my rotary cutter and cut this. This is such a nice thing to have. I absolutely love it. No, I am not putting it or using it away from my body, but my body's far enough. I won't cut myself, I promise.
Somebody else. Now I don't want nothing to do with you.
And then now I'm just going to be taking these and measuring them on the top. Although it was a little big on the top, I liked it that way because when I put them all together, it fit really, really good. So I left the overhang, and I did have to cut the sides down just a little bit. I'm just going to be taking this Gorilla Glue. It's wood glue. This works amazing, and I like to use this for a lot because everything holds really well. You do want to make sure that you're not like me and overuse this, because it did start to spill out, and this stuff secretly spills out. So it won't right now, but when you like leave the project to let dry, it starts seeping out. I don't know how that works, but it does. I also just laid my printable down just to make sure I wasn't messing this up, and I thought I would put the top part down first of the frame, and then I would just add the free printable. And this worked really well because then I knew what I had to cut down and what I didn't have to cut down.
It's alright, it's okay. I don't need you anyway, so let me be. I'm doing.
And my little piece of buffalo check frame, that's what I'm going to call it since that's what I'm using it as, and it just sounds right when I say it. But the little buffalo check piece did not stay down with only the Gorilla Glue, so I did add any hot glue to it as well. And then if you didn't already see that I did just add some Mod Podge and Mod Podge the printable down. I didn't Mod Podge the top of it. I was getting kind of frustrated because there was some bubbles that were sticking out of it, but eventually when it dried, it didn't look as bad. And I just took some wire cutters and cut this piece of board because, I don't know, I always have wire cutters on hand versus scissors, so I just choose to use that. And then I was just totally eyeballing everything and cutting it to size.
Everything for you, even though you gave me nothing back. I guess that I wasn't enough this time. I tried to be perfect and keep you happy all the time, that you wanted somebody else. Now I don't want nothing to do with you. It's alright.
There was a few pieces that were kind of starting to fall off the little piece of wood, so I just decided to take some hot glue and just glue those down.
It's okay, I don't need you anyway, so let me be. I'm doing fine, don't you waste your precious time. I don't want you back. No, you hurt me bad. It's alright, it's okay, it's alright. It's alright.
And then now onto the wreath. I picked up this wreath form from a garage sale for only $1. It is so nice. I was so glad I got to pick this up because the Dollar Tree ones just always seem to fall apart. These are a ton of leftover flowers that I had that I was not going to be using, so I was probably just ended up throwing them away. So I thought, what better way to actually, instead of throwing things away, is to just use them. So you guys, if you haven't seen my wreath videos, I really just throw pieces together and just hope for the best and hope they look good. I kind of try to do a pattern, so I did do like some of these green and orange and yellow beads like on each side. Are they called beads? I'm not really sure. I know they're not beads, but that's just what I like to call them. And then I had some of this other floral from a Walmart wreath that I had, and I started ripping that apart as well. And I didn't want to throw all that away either, so I did keep it just to make a new, cool, cute little fall wreath. This is the last bow that I had out of a 2-pack from the Dollar Tree, and like I said, I just wanted to use some things up, so I decided to use it on here. I had some Queen Anne's lace from last year that I already cut up, and then some of these, I think these are little mums that I had from last year as well.
I tried giving you my heart, I tried giving you my heart. Now I know you didn't want it, you didn't want it. I tried giving you my heart, I tried giving you my heart. It's alright, it's okay, I don't need you anyway, so let me be. I'm doing fine, don't you waste your precious time. I don't want you back. No, you hurt me bad. It's alright, it's okay, it's alright. It's alright, it's okay, I don't need you anyway, so let me be. I'm doing fine, don't you waste your precious time. I don't want you back. No, you hurt me bad. It's alright, it's okay, it's alright. I tried giving you my heart. Now I know you didn't want it. I guess that I wasn't enough this time.
And this is what it looks like when it's all done. I think this turned out really, really good for just using a lot of like scrap florals and not really knowing how this is going to turn out, but I absolutely love it. And then I did also add a couple pine cones in the end just for filler, and I absolutely love this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I hope this gave you guys some inspiration to get some of your crafts out of your craft room and use them up and make something beautiful with them. But if you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more videos. I cannot talk right at the end of this video. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.